So the formula for the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, where the y is equal to the y-coordinate, whatever you're given it. The m is slope, which is also equal to the rise over the run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The x is the x-coordinate, and the b stands for the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is when the x is 0. And usually, the y-intercept lays on like this part of the graph, so like the y-axis. So now that you know about the slope-intercept form formula, now we can go to graphing it. So for example, we have a formula which is y is 3 over 2x minus 4. So we know that the 3 over 2 is the slope, because it replaces the m. And slope is also rise over run, which is y over x. So and the y-intercept is negative 4. So if you go into the graph, you can find that the y-intercept is here on a point there. And then you go up 3, because that's what the slope says. 1, 2, 3. And then you go to the right 2. So 1, 2. And based on these 2 points, you are going to be able to graph the line. For this first example, we're given the slope and a point, and are told to write an equation in slope-intercept form. And we already know that we know a slope. So we can write y is equal to 1/2 x plus b. But we don't know what b is. And we're given a coordinate point, so we can plug in the information that we're given into the formula and solve for b. So you know that y is 2. So you plug that in, 1/2. And then you also know that x is 3. So you can multiply that by 3 plus b. And then you can just multiply the 3 times 1/2. So 2 is equal to 3/2 plus b. Subtract the 3/2 over to the other side. So 2 minus 3/2 is equal to b. B is equal to 1/2. You can write the formula y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1/2. Second example, we're given 2 points and are told to find the equation in slope-intercept form. So first, you need to solve for the slope because you are not given it at all. And the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to solve it, you can just do 9 minus 3 over 6 minus 2, which is equal to 6 over 4, which is also equal to 3 over 2, 3/2. So now that you know m, you can solve for b. So y is equal to 3/2 x plus b. And you can use either coordinates for this. I'm just going to use the second one. So it's 3 is equal to 3/2 times 2 plus b. And the 2 cancel out. So then you're left with 3 is equal to 3 plus b. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Therefore, the slope-intercept equation that you're going to get is y is equal to 3/2 x plus 0.